Hello, today we are doing another After Effects tutorial. I said it in the last video that I feel like After Effects has so much to offer and I want to explore new things and give you something new and interesting with each video. With that being said, I really am having a lot of fun with the program and I'm excited about upcoming tutorials. So for this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this simple shake effect. I personally like this style. It's kind of soft shake, nothing too crazy. It's a basic transition, but it's still enjoyable to watch. Now, before we get into the tutorial, I have to let you know about my editing pack. As most editors, I have online store for editing assets. Actually, I only have one editing pack for now. New editing pack is coming out in May. Check out the pinned comment and join the waitlist. This one is going to be absolutely crazy. I'm so excited for it. However, the pack that is currently available on my website is called Collage Effects. It's basically for everyone who likes collage style, simple drag and drop templates that will not only save you time on editing, but make your videos visually so much better. I'll put the link in the description so you can check it out, and let's get into the tutorial. Let's start with an adjustment layer. So we are going to create that and place it above the footage. This is where we'll apply all the effects to keep it simple. First thing I add on the adjustment layer is exposure effect. We are using exposure to create flash effect at the start. We can also use brightness and contrast as an alternative. So we are going to keyframe the exposure to 3 at the very start, then move 10 frames and keyframe it back to 0. I think that flash really adds up to the effect and I think that it looks really nice. Next we are going to apply motion tile. Change the output width to 340 and height to 290. Check mirror edges. Now add transform effect. From the start of the layer you want to move 15 frames and keyframe both skew and skew axis to 0. Then go back to the start, set skew to 12 and skew axis to 150. What this does is it pushes and tilts your frame. Highlight all of the keyframes and please don't skip this next step. You want to open up graph editor and just copy my graph. This one is pretty simple actually. I don't usually like to work with graphs. It looks kind of complicated to me. But this one is actually pretty basic. Next you want to enable motion blur on the adjustment layer. This will smooth out the effect even more. Then duplicate the adjustment layer and place it above every clip where you want shake to happen. That way you don't have to rebuild the whole thing every time. Just copy, paste and you're done. Yeah, that's it. You created a nice shake effect. I like to use it in between clips as a transition, the way I did it here. If this helped, drop a like, it really helps the channel. Maybe subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out Collage Effects, links in the description, and join the waitlist for a new editing pack that's coming out in May, if that's something that matches your editing style and aesthetic. And I'll see you in the next video.